get in the abandoned house?
You found an abandoned house. Keep going. And we're gonna go look for the Piscina de Piedra, and what else, Aiden? The Cascada. It has a little waterfall here. This is called the Piedra, the Piscina de Piedra.
Hello, got anything wrong here?
Today we're taking a drive up the mountains into Maricao, and we are en route, so we're probably between Las Marias and Maricao right now. And one of the coolest things about these drives is that oftentimes you can find really beautiful plants and flowers right on the side of the road, so let's see what we can find. En tus marcas, listos, fuera.
But how do we get in the abandoned house?
You found an abandoned house. Keep going.
How do we get in it?
Keep walking. Wow, I didn't even see this right here, right off the side of the road.
How did we?
Wow, what is it? Oh, there's the house. Where's the doors to the house? Aiden, where's the house at? It's covered in vines. This is the... Oh, but I can't even find the door. This might be the roof. Looks to be Pika Pika. I don't see the pods, but... Café! Coffee beans straight from the trees off the side. So today we will be staying the night here at this Hacienda Juanita here in Maricao. We've never been here before, but well, we've never stayed here. We've actually seen this place, but we've never stayed here before, so this should be pretty fun. Aiden, there's little sheeps down there. Check it out.
Mama.
You want? It's the bar, Aiden.
I'm the bar person.
The bartender.
Where get your drinks in this cooler? There's a cooler in there, Mama.
Aiden, they got coffee stuff. llave, sí. Vamos a ver. Oh, look at this. It's got, oh, for you, baby. You got a little couch. How nice.
But where? Oh, right there. Oh, that's a turn-it couch.
Look at this. It's got two little rooms. How cute. Oh, even an old-fashioned. What is this?
Well, that's an old-fashioned TV.
That's a
Mom,
TV.
yeah, it's an old-fashioned TV. You put paper in it, and it types stuff into paper.
Oh, look at this old-fashioned.
So if you have some paper, you can put it in, and then you can type letters on it.
Oh wow! Let's see if we can see out the window. Check this out, Aiden. Oh, doesn't really open. Let's see. Look at these little windows, Aiden. So cute. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. That opens, Aiden. Look. Whoa! Look at that. That's a pretty view.
Let me see it. This. That's their septic.
Look at they want this.
They're trying to put.
They want more food.
Eat it.
There's lots of cafe over here too, baby. Look.
Oh my God! How do we get over here? How do we get over here?
Ooh, lots of cafe. So this is kind of cool. They actually have like sheep. It's a kind of a working farm. They have coffee that they're cultivating and drying and forming into coffee that they even sell here. So it's sort of a working hacienda as well as a hotel. So that's kind of neat. Fun little sheep, huh, Eden?
Hey, but let's get out of here before we get late.
And some kindling.
All right, so now we're exploring a little bit more of Hacienda Juanita and its area. So it's a pretty big hacienda.
Wait for the airplane.
And we're gonna go look for the Piscina de Piedra and what else, Aiden? The Cascada. It has a little waterfall here, so let's go find it.
This is a strong wave for the airplane.
Yeah.
Capture air.
Look how big those are. Maybe I need to take off my shoes.
That's a little bit steep.
Is that pretty good?
Hello,
Pretty frog here.
Hello,
Coming to you
Pretty
live.
Frog. I got a 12 and I'm trying to catch it. So yeah, look at it. See it right there.
Ribbit.
No, you're a 12.
Oh, I'm a sloth?
Yeah.
And you're a frog?
No, I'm trying to catch it.
Oh, but what are you?
Yeah, I'm a human.
Check this out, Aiden. What is it? Find it, Aiden. This is cool. Aiden, what is this?
A dam, I guess.
This is called the Piedra, the Piscina de Piedra. So it's like a pool that was built out of stone, but it's not full anymore. I wonder why.
Well, why did they not fill it up anymore?
I'm not sure. Do you think
But
we...
with the rain, it has to fill up.
Yeah.
How come it does not fill up with the... What does that say?
It says Piscina de Piedra, the 1834. It fills from our spring water, 10 feet deep. It's prohibited to dive. You see it?
Yeah,
Look
right up there. There's a little tube that fills it up.
Look at here, we're in the pool.
Yeah, you know, like...
Even goes down deeper. This is pretty cool. This is a really old-fashioned pool. 1834 it says.
That's when this was made.
That would have been a deep pool, and it was filled with spring water.
Why with spring water?
Here's the old-fashioned pipe that they can still fill up with. What is that? A picture?
I see a crocodile.
There's more steps, Aiden. Where does it lead to? Salud.
Are there any that have purple coconut and yellow fruit? Are there?
So we ran out of time last night before it started to get too dark, so we couldn't find the waterfall. So we're at it again this morning. It's about 8 a.m. and it's a beautiful little walk. It's got that little bench here. I'm starting to hear some water.
Straps. Mama, there's straps.
Ah.
And here. The trash can. The trash can. It's stuck.
Oh, it's so cool. All right, we're arriving to Cascada Juanita, and it's much bigger than I actually thought it would be. Look at this.